Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the difference between map and flat maps. This question is asked in various service-based companies such as Deloitte, Accenture, Capgemini, Cinecon, etc. So this is related to our Stream API which got introduced in Java 8. Here are some differences between map and flat map. In map, the function passed to map operation returns a single value for a single input. In the function, you pass a flat map operation returns an arbitrary number of values as the output. Here in the case of map it is one-to-one mapping, and in the case of flat map it is one-to-many mapping, and in the case of map it performs only mapping part, but in the case of flat map it is the combination of map as well as flattening. And in the case of map produces a stream of value, in case of flat map it produces a stream of stream value. Map is used only for transformation and flat map is used for both transformation as well as mapping. So let's understand with an example. Here I have this IntelliJ IDE and this is package I have. I will be creating one class, something like this, and here I will create a main method. Inside this particular main method I will create list of integers. So this is my list, and we have arrays class, and we can provide here 1 2 3 4 and 5. So let's suppose here we have 5 elements in this particular list, and what I want to square each element. So by using map we can do this thing. So here list dot stream will return stream, and flat map is an intermediate operation, map is an intermediate operation, and here I want this value to be square. It means that I into I, and now I want to collect it as list of integers. So now we can collect using collectors dot toList method. So this particular method will return us list of integer of square. It means that it will return 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 9, 4 into 4 16, and 5 into 5, that is 25. So before and after I will print this particular list. This is out, this is my list, print this list, and here after the map operation we can print this list. This is my square list. Let's run this example so that we can understand the difference. This is the output. Here if you see, the earlier list was 1 2 3 4 5 6, and now this is the list of squares. So in that case if you want to transform, then you can use this map, and if you want to flatter then we can use flat map. So now we need to discuss about the flat map. So in the case of flat map we can have, okay, I will comment this section. Let's create list of list. So here we can have list of integers here. This is my list of list, and here I will create new array list of, that's it. Now we can add element into this particular list. So list dot add arrays dot as list, and I can pass 1 comma 2. Similarly I will add 3 4 5 6 7, and here we have 8 9 and 10. These are the elements we have inside this particular list. So in such case we can use flat map because it is not simple array, it is array of array, or we can say list of list it is. In this case I will use list dot stream, and here we can use flat map, and inside this flat map we can have list of list dot stream l of stream, and now we can collect here we can use collectors dot to list. So here this method will return list of integer only. This is my flat list. Now we can print this list and this particular list so that we can find the difference. What is the difference between this particular list and this list? So here I will just print as out. This is my list, and here I will append list. Here I will use this flat list. Now let's run this example so that you can understand the difference. Here if you see we have this list of list, but in the case of flat map, flat list, we have only one list. This list contains this particular list, one, two, three, four list we have, and here we have only single list which have all the elements. So this is very useful in Java Stream API, and also it is useful in projects. That's why it is frequently asked question in various MNCs. Thank you so much for watching.